The last part of chapter 5, which is the applications of analytical approach in rectangular linear figures. Okay, apart from performing geometric proof by deduction, that means you just use the line or use the reason, you can also use coordinate geometry in handling the proof. So let's look at some example. So this example is like a trapezium. Now you're going to find out the coordinate of P in terms of H and K. So now you can see it, P actually is the midpoint of AO. Therefore, you know that for P, this is the midpoint. So you can have H over 2, K over 2 to be the Y coordinate. Okay? And then you're going to prove BQ equals to QC. So if you remember, actually you have the intercept theorem, okay, so that you can find it. But if you are going to do it, so you can see it will be, okay, by using the rectangular linear plane. Okay, so let's say this one, horizontal, y coordinate of Q, and then BQC is a vertical line, and BQ will be this unit, so QC will be this unit, so they are the same. Okay, so if you forget, you can just refer to the previous page. Okay, so let's look at this example. This is the classwork. And now you know that M is the midpoint, so this is A over 2, H over 2. And then for N, actually will be the midpoint as well, so you have A plus V over 2 to be the X coordinate of N. H plus 0 divided by 2 will be the coordinate, the Y coordinate. And then you can prove it whether this one is parallel to this one, because they have the same Y coordinate. That means they are in the same position for height. So this one will be a horizontal line. Okay, last one, you have to prove it, MN equals to 1/2 of OB. Then you can see this is A over 2, and this one will be A plus B over 2. Okay, and for this one will be equals to B. So now you know it, this one and the X coordinate together divided. Okay, then you can find out. So let's say this one, next one, and they have the same Y coordinate. Okay, B unit, B over 2 unit. Okay, so that is why you can prove it. Okay, so if you look at this one again, you can see it like this. Okay, you find out the length, and then this one as well. Okay, CO. You can find out AB, the length, CB, the length, and you can find out all of them are equal. So this one will be a kite. Is it clear? They are equal. And for the perpendicular reason, you can see whether the slope is equal to -1 when you multiply them. And then you can do this one. Basically, you find out all length. Okay, all length. And you can see it. Once you can see perpendicular, that means you have to find out whether the slope multiplied to give you -1. Okay. That's it.